Hey guys, it's Lishi. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today's video is so exciting because it is the PS5 release day and we are unboxing my brand new PlayStation 5. It's been a long time coming, this console, and I'm so glad that today is the day we finally get to have it in our hands, for those of us who pre-ordered anyway. And I am very keen to open this box, take a look at the console, get it all set up. I've been waiting for weeks for this, or months now. So to have it here in all its glory is something that really excites me. So we're gonna unbox it together. Let's jump into it. Alright, it is time to open this up. It is such a big box, so we're gonna do things a little bit differently today. But here we go. I literally have no expectations, so I don't even know. Obviously I've seen the console, I've seen some features of it, what it looks like, but I haven't watched any unboxings yet. So it's going to be very exciting to open this up. Oh my god, okay. Before we start actually, let's take a look at the box. So on the front panel we have obviously the PS5 here with the PS5 logo. There is the PlayStation symbols faded in the back. And we've got our little features up here for display quality. So we've got 8K, 4K 120 and HDR. Then obviously we've got our rating down here. So the box design is really nice. And then if we move it to the side, we've got the PS5 logo, PlayStation 5 written here, Sony branding. On the back we've got a full picture of the PlayStation 5. It looks absolutely perfect. With some features, so lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, and stunning games. So one thing to note about this console is that it is only 825 gigabytes. However, it is a solid state drive, not a normal hard drive. So yeah, it's less than a terabyte, but I'll be keen to see how many games I can actually fit on this size console. And then on this side, we have the PlayStation again with the controller and the PS5 logo. So box design, they go pretty basic, but they really know how to make it look elite and sleek, and I think they've done a really good job. So now let's get into the fun part. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I'm unboxing a PS5 right now. Okay, so it looks like in this box is the accessories. We're going to put that to the side for now, and we're going to go straight in for the console. Ooh, okay, we're gonna put the box to the side, take off these things. This is massive! Time for the unveiling of the PlayStation 5. I just can't believe this is in my hands right now. I cannot believe I have my very own PlayStation 5. Oh my goodness. This is unreal! Oh my god! Oh, there's so much detail to look at. Oh my god, okay, let me investigate. Holy crap. This is huge. I'm actually in shock right now at how big this thing is. It literally looks like a skyscraper that should be in Dubai or somewhere, some massive city. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay, I can see so many little details on this console, like on the inside of the panel. There are tiny little PlayStation symbols in there. That is a crazy touch. On the front we've got one USB-A port, a USB-C port. We've got our eject button for the disc. Obviously I've got the disc version. And our power button. On the side here we've got a cutout of the PlayStation symbol. This looks incredible. It is just a, cutout from the white panel with a black panel shining through. On the inside, where there is the PlayStation symbols, there is the Sony logo. And on the back, we have two more USB-A ports, an Ethernet port, HDMI port, and the power adapter. On this internal part on the back as well, there are PlayStation symbols there, which I believe will work for the stand because there is a stand included. And yeah, overall, this looks absolutely insane. Like, I cannot believe this is sitting next to me right now. I've been so excited for this all day. I worked the launch, handed out all the PlayStation 5s to those who pre-ordered, and I've been waiting to unbox mine all day, and it's finally here. I'm so happy to have this. Oh my god. So let's move on to the accessory box. I cannot wait to get my hands on this controller. Like, I cannot wait to hold it and feel it. Whew, okay. Inside this accessory box, we've got our quick start guide and some manuals, power cable, controller. Oh my lord. This is exciting. And then our charging cable for the controller as well. So what I'm going to do is take out all these bits and bobs. So manuals. Underneath here, oh yeah, the stand and our HDMI cable. Okay, so we've got our HDMI cable, which should be HDMI 2.1. We have the stand for the console. This allows you to stand it up if you want to have it on like a totally flat surface, or you can stand it, have it lying down flat. So this allows you to do that. And then in the middle here, we've got our power cable, which is just a standard 2-prong cable. For the controller, it's a USB-C charging cable, which is really nice. Nice to see that upgrade, USB-C to A. And that's everything in here. So now we go on to the fun part, opening up this controller. Oh my god. I cannot believe I'm holding this in my hand right now. Even on the back, the grip is all the little PlayStation symbols. That is mind-blowing. There is just so much detail in this. It feels so good. The top triggers and buttons feel fantastic. The R2 and L1 especially. There's a lot of bounce to it. On the standard buttons and the D-pad, there's still a lot of bounce. The buttons have a transparent glossy top, which is really nice. Then we've got our 2 buttons on the side of the touchpad. That touchpad feels so good. There's just like the perfect bounce. It sounds so good too. This definitely feels like a brand new controller. It feels so good. In the middle as well, there is the place. Oh, it's lighting up. There's the PlayStation button, which is lighting up my controller, trying to find the console that is not plugged in. And then we have a microphone down here, which is something new. We haven't seen that on a DualShock 4 before. So the DualSense allows you to talk through the controller if you don't want to use a headset. So I'm assuming that is a mute button on top of it. We will find out. And then underneath you've got your headphone jack as well. So this feels so good. And it just looks so nice next to that console. Like, the design, seeing it in person now, I like it a lot more. When I first saw it at the reveal, I was a bit iffy about how it looked. I thought it kind of looked strange, but looking at it now, well, I grew to like it over the last few months, but in person, it's perfect. The futurism on this design is definitely what we needed to see with a next-gen console. It's really different, which I love, but I can't get over the size of it. It is massive. So much bigger than my PS4 Pro. So some other things I bought were the PlayStation Media Remote, because this is the only other accessory, as well as a second controller, that we could get our hands on at the moment, as everything else has been delayed. And I picked up Spider-Man Miles Morales and Sackboy's Big Adventure, which I can't wait to play this, honestly. Like, I might play this first, I don't even know yet. Still very excited for Miles Morales as well. So these are the 2 games that I picked up today. Cannot wait to play and just enjoy the experience of a brand new console, especially being next gen. So we're gonna unbox all of these items really quickly right now and see what they look like. there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video of my unboxing of the PlayStation 5. I'm still blown away at the fact that I have this, and it's going to probably become my favourite console ever. I just know it will. I'm a Sony girl at heart, a PlayStation girl at heart. I absolutely love them as a brand, and I love the products that they bring out. So I'm very, very excited to see the other games that are coming out for the PS5, check out any new stuff that I don't know about. My next game that I'm very, very excited for is Immortals Phoenix Rising from Ubisoft. That I believe is out December 3rd, so that's my next big title that I cannot wait to play on the PS5. And then leading into next year, we've got a massive lineup of games coming, so it's definitely a time to get your hands on a next-gen console if you can. And now I'm going to go enjoy my PS5. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!